Today I want to say something that might be hard to hear, but it is the truth we keep running away from. We keep complaining about the condition of our nation, the corruption, the injustice, the suffering, but we never look at the root of disease. On a collective level, we are living in a system that does not belong to Allah. Our courts do not judge by what Allah revealed. Our laws are written by people, not by the Creator. Our markets run on interest, fraud, manipulation, and greed. Our education system teaches everything except the obedience of Allah. Our lifestyle is shaped by culture, society, and trends, but not by divine guidance. And then we say, why is there no peace in our homes? Why is there no justice in our society? Why are we constantly punished as a nation? Because we are living under a structure that has pushed Allah's guidance out of every corner. But Allah already told us the principle. Allah already gave the condition for His help, His mercy, His barakah. وَيُكُونَ الدَّيْنُ كُلُّهُ لِلَّهِ. That the entire deen, the entire system must belong completely to Allah. Not partially, not on Fridays only, not only in the mosque, not only on the tongue, but in the courts, in the markets, in the schools, in the constitution, in the way we judge, in the way we live, in the way we run our society. Let's be honest with ourselves. We say we are believers, but we do not want Allah's rule. We say we love Allah, but we prefer man-made laws. We recite His book, but we don't implement a single command from it at the national level. This is why our entire system becomes a system of shirk. Because it replaces the authority of Allah with the authority of humans. And when the foundation is corrupted, how can the building ever stand strong? How can a nation rise when the very core of its system is rebellion against the Creator? So the question is not, why is not Allah helping us? The real question is, are we willing to submit to Allah completely? Are we ready to make His commands the standard in justice, in economy, in law, in leadership, in daily life? Because nations are not changed by speeches. They are changed when they surrender to the one who owns them. If we want honor, peace, justice, strength, then we must return to Allah fully, not halfway, not selectively, but completely. Ad-dainu kulluhu lillahi until becomes a reality, not just a verse we quote.